Well, hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to use KD-X4 to make a Volkswagen 5C. This is the appearance of the original key. This is KD Smart Key. We will add this key to the car later. Now the outer casings of the two original car keys have been removed. Now there are two to introduce the wiring method to you. One method is to connect 5 wires to the adapter board that interfaces with the 8-pin chip. One is to connect 5 wires with octagonal 4 board. Then connect the original keyboard according to the wiring diagram. Okay? First, turn on the device. When turning on, please note that this version must be upgraded to version 1.53 or higher, and the APP version is 8.7. 1 or higher. Okay? First, you need to connect the device. Now it's automatically connected. Click IMO Programming. Click IMO Programming. Click Volkswagen. Click Volkswagen. Okay? Click 5C5D Immobilizer System. Click Read the original car key and generate a dealer key. Okay, let's look at this wiring diagram. The corresponding wiring diagram has been connected. Our key is based on the appearance of the key. The wiring diagram shows that we need this one. We need to connect 5 wires here. There are 3 here, and then there are 2 behind. There are 2 rows, then plug it in. Then connect the 5 wires here. Okay, the wiring is done. Then plug it in and read the data directly. Now I'll show you how to read it. After inserting the adapter board, reading successful. Remember this service code. This service code can be used to generate dealer keys and learning keys. Now, let's generate the dealer keys. Let's generate it first, and I'll show you how to use it later. How to use the cardboard jig. Put the new key you want to learn. Put the KD Smart Key inside here. Click KDZ B Smart Key. Okay, writing successful. Next, let me introduce this cardboard. Please ignore the wires on this cardboard. It's a test board. The wires on this board are for testing, so please ignore it. It's used for testing. And this key also corresponds to this one. Okay. And then there are 4 pins. The 4 pins correspond to these 4. Okay for these 4 pins. Insert the key. After aligning the angle, just connect it and it's okay. After it is fixed, I will show you how to use it. Let me show you. Now, the cardboard has insert the original keyboard. Then insert this. After inserting it, there's a pin, which needs to be pushed against the wig corner. You can see this picture. Corresponding to pin 1, the pin should be pushed to the first pin. Then read it. Okay, and now, at this time, the pin is on the first horn. Hold it down and then click OK. Okay, it's done. Okay, now let's learn the key in the car. The OBD has been plugged into the car. There are 2 keys. One is KD's, which is new, and the other is the original one. Now let's learn this key. Then enter the matching function. Click IMO Programming. Select Volkswagen. Click Key Layering. Learn 2 keys. Okay? It's in a smart key. Then you need to open the hood. Then you need to put the original key and stick the key to the induction coil. Okay? Okay? Click OK. Then select the corresponding service code. OK? Then put this and stick the key to learn here. Click Yes. Click OK. OK, then turn off the ignition switch. Open it again. Click OK. Then click OK. Learning completed. Additionally, if you perform key learning on vehicles manufactured in 2024 and 2025, mode access failed, you need to unlock the SFD. Before performing key learning, try the original car key. Unlocking functions normally. Locking functions normally. Test the matched car key. Locking functions normally. Unlocking functions normally. Now test the engine startup. Starting functions normally.
Okay.
All done?